Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of integers. This is 7th question of its exercise 6.1. So the question says that write all the integers between the given pair. Write them in the increasing order. Firstly हमें A part में arrange करना है integers between 0 and -7 in increasing order. So increasing order में arrange करने के लिए हम छोटे से बड़े की तरफ चलेंगे मीन्स 0 and -7. -7 is less than 0. So between them integers are -6, -5, -4, -3, -2 and -1. P part हम अरेंज करें integers between -4 and 4 in increasing order. तो हो जाएंगे हमारे पास -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. सी पार्ट है -8 and -15. Integers between them in increasing order. So integers are -14, -13, -12, -11, -10 and -9. D part हमारे पास -30 and -23. Integers between them in increasing order. So हो जाएगा -29, -28, -27, -26, -25 and -24. Thank you.